everybody, welcome to Ageless Fitness Lifestyle. Today I am going to share with you one of my favorite green juices to make. When you put this juice inside your temple, also known as your body, you're going to get vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and you're going to get iron. And it's going to be an energetic drink for you. It's going to be full of energy. It's going to give you a lot of energy. And that's what we need today because we're fighting so many invisible forces, air pollution, the food, we're just fighting so much. So today, as I said earlier, I'm going to make a delicious green juice for you, and you're going to come along with me in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I prepare it. And for those of you, this is your first time coming to the channel, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Pauline, and I'm 73 years young, and I'm a fitness coach, and I'm also a geek when it comes to my health, my strength, my nutrition, and my fitness. I am just like you. I want to be on top of my game, and it is my intention to stay on top of my game. You need that more so than ever, especially today. So let's get right into the green juice recipe. Here we go. Here are the ingredients that are going to go into that delicious juice. The kale. The kale is going to support my bone health, and it supports heart health too. The ginger. The ginger is good for my digestion. The spinach, rich in iron, and it provides magnesium. I'm going to put apples, 2 apples and a pear to give me that natural sweetness. That's going to include my vitamin C in my body. And the cucumber is going to help me stay hydrated. I'm going to talk about that baking soda in a minute. You see, this is going to be a glass full of nutrients supporting my bones, my heart, my eyes, my muscles, hydration, and healthy aging. I'm breaking in real quickly because I'm filming in the United States. I'm in New York, and right now, presently, and we are in the month of July, this country is faced with another invisible attack. It's a bacteria attack. It's called cyclopolaris. I'll put that on the screen. But it's affecting a lot of people within all 50 states. And a lot of people are going to emergency wards because of this bacteria. And you're finding this bacteria in lettuce and fruits, vegetables, and things of that nature. That's why I want to show you how I make sure that I wash my vegetables, especially the green kale leaves and the spinach. And I highly advise that you do that too, because I don't want you to end up in the emergency ward. So let's get ready to get right back into the video, but I just had to throw that in there really quickly. We are in a little state of emergency because of our foods and the bacteria on them. Let's get right back to it. Remember me showing you the baking soda? Well, the spinach is soaking in a baking soda bath, and the kale she's waiting for her turn to be placed in that bath as well. And baking soda, as I mentioned, and a little bit of white wine vinegar. That way I can kill off anything that is trying to attack the intestines. Once those green girls have been given their bath, they are going into my KUVINGS Hands-Free Slow Juicer. They are getting ready to get juice. I love my juicer. I've had it for a year. It's kind of expensive, over $700, but your girl is worth every single penny, especially when it comes to making any kind of delicious, nutritious, organic juice for the body. You can see it's a hands-free, slowly juicer. Now look at that. Look at that delicious green gold that's coming out of the juice, all ready to go into the temple. Oh my goodness. This is so good. I highly recommend that you give this a try. The juicer that I use is KUVINGS juicer. I'll put the name of it in the description. It's a little expensive, over $700. I'll tell you up front, but it's worth every single penny, because when you think about what you are doing for yourself, making the juice, I'm giving myself vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron. I'm making my own energy drink. I did not purchase this from the grocery store off the shelf, and it's been sitting at the grocery shelf for God knows how long. I made this myself. And this is what I would highly recommend you doing for you. Because as I said in the beginning, we are experiencing a little invisible war, a war against our lungs, the air pollution, a war against our food intake, the, the pesticides that are sprayed on the food. You have to be on top of your game, ladies and gentlemen. And one way in doing that is by making your own green juice, your own orange juice, cooking your own food. Try and stay away from the restaurants. It's nice to go out every now and then, but try and stay away and make your own food. Again, we are in a little invisible war out here. That's why you have to be on top of your game. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you are not a subscriber, please press that subscribe button. This is a wonderful community, a wonderful, positive community. I'm a geek when it comes to health, fitness, nutrition. It is my passion to share my knowledge with you and to share the recent information that comes out about things that would be of interest to us ladies and men over the age of 50. So I want you to take good care. I want you to be well. I want you to give this juice a try. And don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. All right? Take good care. Be well. Stay blessed. And I'm drinking to your health. Take good care now. Bye bye. Oh, yeah.